So first I'm going to go through sort of the major components of my homework rewards. We start with goals. Goals are important to let us know where we're going. Without them, you can kind of be wandering without having a clear path in mind. Every student has unique goals, and that's why our goals are flexible so that you can establish suitable goals for your individual students. Students work towards meeting these goals every week and will earn points that will unlock rewards. So this helps keep students motivated and can also push them to, try a little bit harder, spend more time practicing and seeking help so that they can actually meet these goals.